Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these lashes right here. I got this set in Midnight in 16 millimeters, as you can see right there. Let's go ahead and get right into this and start applying these. I am just going to use some Lynx glue. You can use whatever you like. And then I have this Lactic Street tweezers. So that's what I'm going to use because that's what I have on hand, but you can use whatever your little heart desires. Okay, so let's go ahead and start applying. They are all the same length. Sometimes I will do 14 to 16. Right now I'm just going to do all 16, so they're all going to be the same length, so it'll be super easy to apply. But this is what the lashes themselves look like. Okay, so I'm going to apply this eye on camera and this side off camera. So you just want to get your glue. Okay, and I'm just going to get these bottom lashes, my hair out of the way. And I'm going to just push the glue at the base of my lashes. I'm not going to brush it all the way through so that it's easier to clean up later. Just like that. Then you just grab your tweezers. I like to grab underneath the whole lash like so, and then pull up. Then I grab the lash to where it's going to be easiest to apply. I like to apply this way, and we're going to glue them underneath the lashes. So I actually got some glue down here. Try to get that off. You just go right underneath it and pop it on. I have some glue on these, so I need to take it off. You just look. Pop it right on. So it's just like that, and I'm just going to keep going with all these, doing the same thing. Just stacking them right by each other. So that is completed. Look how stinking pretty these are. Now I like to go in with my tweezers, and then I'm going to pinch them down to make sure that they are secure. And you can put a seal just to keep your lashes from sticking to the bottom lashes. So just like that, and then make sure that you clean this off when you're done so that when you go to apply this eye, the lashes are not sticking to them. So this is what it looks like completed. I'm just going to show you the difference. This is me looking at you dead on, sideways. And then this is looking down. So you see before and after, the difference is insane. So let me go ahead and apply this eye, and then I'll show you what it looks like once it's completed. Okay, so that is what they look like completed. I absolutely love this set. It is 100% me. I love the length. They are, like I said, 16 millimeters in the Midnight set. But look at this sideways. I mean, hold on, I'm seeing. Am I able to see? Do you see that? Do you see that? Look how pretty. They're so pretty. I love these. So I would definitely give these a 10 out of 10. Super comfortable, super bold, and this is like me every day. Like, I will wear these. They typically last up to 2 weeks if you really know how to take care of them. If you're probably just starting out and really don't know, probably a good week, which is not bad at all. And you can re-clean them, like cleanse them, take off the glue and everything and reuse them if you wanted to. I've done that like maybe a couple times, but since I am a YouTuber and I get so much stuff sent to me, I really don't have to do that. But back in the day, before I was a YouTuber, I would have totally done it because, I mean, you can't get better than this. These are gorgeous. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.